Hey guys, so I'm going to give you a bit of a warning today about photographing humans. Now, humans in their natural environment are generally happy people, but if you've got people who are coming into a restaurant, and I have literally seen this destroy 3 restaurants, right? This is when people who are restaurant owners will take pictures of people enjoying their meal. Because people do not want to be on social media until they ask it. Now, having photographs of your staff, that's a-okay, that's absolutely brilliant. Happy pictures of happy staff makes it look very friendly, warm and inviting. And I think that that's a really good thing to have going out. But when it comes to your customers, the only time you should ever take a picture of a customer is if the customer consents to having their picture taken and to be used on social media. So say, for example, if you've got on the way out, my recommendation is have a QR code where people can scan for more information, but have a message saying, hey, if you want, we'll give you 50% off your next meal if you want to leave us a testimonial. So what they'll do is they'll get a contact form on there and they will email you through that contact form with the QR code, and then you can arrange for them to get money off the meal. Then you can arrange for them to do a testimonial, and if they allow it, you can get their photograph taken and then you can use it for social media, because then they have definitely 100% consented to it. You've bribed them with the meal, they've left you a really good testimonial on your food, and that is really, really good because you can use that on social media, which is great. Anyway, that's kind of you paying your customer for a service, because you're giving them, you can give them pretty much anything you want. So when it comes down to it, that is a really, really good way of making sure you can get a human being that is not affiliated with your restaurant to have their picture taken and be there. But the thing you really need to be careful of is, even if it's like a big party, unless everybody is happy with this, happy with it, don't take the photograph. Now, I have seen times, because I've done a couple of Christmas parties, and I've been there with my camera. I have seen times where there is a whole group of people and they're really, really happy. And what our chef does is he goes out there, he gets on well with everyone, and he basically says, "Hey guys, is it all right if we get a big picture taken together for social media?" And they all cloud together and they all hug each other and they're all happy. Bam. You can do that, you can put that out on social media. But these are very, very rare occasions, and you should only save them for a very specific event when you've got certain types of people in, like regular customers who you know really, really well. That's a good time to do that. And people will be happy with that. But it is very dangerous to do these photographs without people's consent, because I have seen it destroy businesses, and it will destroy your business if you're doing it. So, because the thing is, people are sick and tired of being surveilled everywhere they go, and they certainly don't want to be used as advertising material without consent. I mean, you wouldn't want me showing up and photographing you doing something that you would hoping that you would enjoy. And like, for example, if you were at a restaurant, you wouldn't want me sneaking up there, taking a photograph of you, and then you being on social media the next day. It's just not the done thing. Anyway, I hope this has been helpful. You take care. And unfortunately, it's something I need to remind a lot of people about. So definitely take this advice on board. Anyway, you have a lovely day. Bye.